Tired of generic products that don't fit into your life? What if everything you own, from phone cases to car parts, could be unique? Now is the time to rethink manufacturing, because the future of customization has arrived. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all. Today, custom prototypes are disrupting industries. Engineers no longer have to wait weeks to get their hands on a prototype. They can now use 3D printing technology to create titanium prostheses in hours and test car lights before production, which is as magical as magic. Vacuum molding bridges the gap between single-piece production and mass production. If you need 100 custom silicone parts, no problem, you can do it right away. This is perfect for startups or limited edition equipment. When it comes to CNC machining, its accuracy is even more first class. Whether it's a fashionable electronic cigarette pen or a sculpture with museum collection value, this technology cuts metal as easily as butter and can achieve millimeter-level accuracy. Why is custom manufacturing so important? First of all, it can achieve a perfect fit. Imagine shoes custom-made according to the shape of your feet, and prosthetics are as natural as your own limbs. Secondly, it's extremely fast. The speed at which companies iterate designs is even faster than the iPhone's update cycle. You no longer have to wait several years to see new designs. Finally, it can leave your exclusive mark. The Lexus headlights you like are unique, just like your unique signature left in the world. This revolution will not stop. There is an unexpected example. A customer customized an exoskeleton product for rehabilitation. In fact, this prototype was actually designed for himself. Unexpectedly, it became popular on the internet. This also means that custom manufacturing can help customers transform simple ideas into commercial products. So, what is your dream custom product? Is it a robot butler or a luminous skateboard? Leave your wildest ideas in the comments section.